Let's be honest, online classes have a bad reputation. People think they're not engaging or that you won't learn as much. But our online classes aren't like that. They feel just like an in-person class that you happen to be able to access from your own home. Our platform can be accessed anywhere, and it's easy to use. Once you sign in, you'll feel like you're actually in a room with everyone. How are you tonight? Hey, Brian. Hi, Izzy. Welcome. Hey, Ken. Seeing all of my students on camera, I'm able to get to know them individually in the same way that I would in a physical classroom. Hey, Izzy. I know you've been working on word problems a lot, so what answer did you get for this one?
I got 12.
Nice. That's right. This is definitely not a class where you can just be a fly on the wall. You're going to be participating a lot. So here we have a geometry question, and we know that our first step is always to draw and label. So everyone, grab the pen, label something on this diagram. My favorite moments in class are when students answer each other's questions or offer each other support. We also use breakout rooms for more focused group work.
I've got it down to, I eliminated enterprising and opinionated because that just didn't.
This allows students with differing concerns to focus on the material most challenging for them. Our classes are small, so I can shape them to suit my students' needs. All right, give me a thumbs up if you feel like you really understood this passage. Awesome, all right, that's great. If you travel a lot, live far away from a prep center, or just don't want to leave your house after a long day of work, then an online class is a perfect fit for you.